progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Japan's Princess Mako has lost her royal status after marrying her commoner college sweetheart, Kei Komuro, a man she described as irreplaceable, while the couple voiced sadness over a scandal that has plagued their engagement. After years of criticism of their relationship that has left Mako struggling with her mental health, the couple announced at a press conference at a hotel in Tokyo today that they had wed. They declined to take questions from reporters. The couple did not have a formal wedding ceremony or any of the traditional rites associated with the imperial weddings. They paid for the press conference venue themselves amid accusations on social media that they should not waste taxpayers' money. Her father, Crown Prince Akishino, had reportedly opposed a traditional royal wedding. TV footage showed Mako leaving her family home, the Akasaka imperial residence, today morning. Dressed in a pale blue dress and holding a bouquet, she bowed to her parents and hugged her younger sister, Kako.